It's a 2013 Ford Focus. You'll love driving this Focus. A sleek design and interior craftsmanship combine for a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. It comes with great features you love. Inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, active grille shutters, wireless audio streaming, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, multifunction steering wheel, and manual transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports the Focus has undergone a clean sheet recasting that brings a new look, enhanced quality, more features to a slightly larger package that's far more compelling both visually and dynamically. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today for a test drive. Toyota of North Miami. Call, click, or come see us today so we can exceed your expectations. We're conveniently located at 16,600 Northwest 2nd Avenue in beautiful Miami, Florida.